Welcome to Wishlist Guru, a fully customized wishlist app to help your customer to save items in their wishlist for buying later. This will help your store to attract more customers, which can help in converting more sales. Let me give you a brief tour about our app and show you options which can be configured by you as per your choice. Let's begin by exploring the three options for your wishlist icon location. First is the header location of the wishlist icon, which shows various wishlist items. Then we have a floating button. Choose the placement that suits your store's style and convenience. Lastly, we have an option that is neatly tucked away in the menu. To clearly explain about the icon location and its access, let's dive into its admin panel, where in the general settings you can see the options to choose. You can access all the three options, that is, as a menu item, as a header, and as a floating icon. The next option is the four sides available in the floating icon as shown. Other than that, there are icon position, color, background. One can also select different shapes of the icon and the background as well. Let's dive into the various presentation options for your wishlist. You can present your wishlist as a sleek modal where your customer can access to the items they have already wishlist and can easily view their selected items. With customizable grid styles and intuitive search options. The other option is a convenient drawer on the right for quick access, which displays all your wishlist products, showcasing how easily you can get the access of the products in a unique placement side, which provides the user to go for different options. Then there is a full page display with products in which you can view your wishlist standard page. Share your wishlist easily via email, social media platforms, links, and even can copy direct link. This feature is available in modal and drawer as well. Let's see the admin panel to clearly explain how the different presentations of wishlist can be chosen. Here we can choose only one option out of the three options available, that is, as a modal, drawer, or as a page. Here also in the settings there are various styles for the wishlist UI type as shown, like the background, color of the text, and many more. Moving on to your collection page, or as we like to call it, the catalog, which shows the collection of the favorite item chosen. Here, you can customize how your wishlist icons are displayed. Choose the icon design, the position of the icon, such as top right, top left, bottom right, bottom left. Other than this, we have size, background, and color to perfectly match your store's aesthetic from the admin panel. Now let's explore the product detail page, which comes under Wishlist Guru's free plan. Customers can easily add items to their wishlist with a single click. Here is a guide on how to add the Add to Wishlist button on product page. You will need to add this button through the theme customizer. Let me show you how you can do this. First, in the dashboard installation steps, select the first option. Click Configure. Then from here, you need to add blocks. Click on Apps, and then you will see the Wishlist button, which you can drag wherever you want your Add to Wishlist button to be. Then save the settings, and you can check the changes it has shown. Once we are done with adding the button, let's see how you can customize the look and appearance of the button to match as per your theme design. You can also add specific colors and style for regular, hover, and active state of your button. You also can choose the style for the Add to Wishlist button, which includes various styling and other designing options as shown. Style for Move to Cart. Here you can customize and style your Move to Cart button, having button and text settings, which further includes background, text colors, and many other features. Now we will explore remaining settings of the admin panel briefly. Let us dive into our dashboard. In the dashboard, you will get all the major settings, starting with the installation steps, which include different features as shown, and most importantly, access to the quick links. Below are the few shortcut links to navigate to important pages easily. Now let's see the analytic page settings, which includes a graphical representation that can be seen on a per-day basis or month-wise. Then we will see the top-rated product list of the customer, which has the most favorite product at the top. Here you can go to view all options, where you can search the product, and can also see the select date option, which gives the idea of the trending items wishlist. Other than that, we have an option for customer recent products, where the fresh added items are shown. Now we will discuss more about the general settings, in which the edit settings for both location and the presentation of the icon are previously discussed in the video. We have notification settings here in which we have two options. First, share a wishlist item. Here the item will directly move to the wishlist page without any notifications. Second, we have show notifications for enabling notification messages for the customers. You can choose the type of notification from here, like as a tooltip, as a toast, or as a text. One can also set the notification delay timer in seconds. Further, one can configure stylings, colors, and other options from these settings shown. The share wishlist settings, move to cart, has been already discussed. There are other options under general settings like email reminder settings. One can also use custom code. One of the most important features that comes under the general settings is the multilingual settings, which have two main features. In first, one can change the language according to their preference for the admin panel only. Here are the different languages available in our app which can be chosen. Then there is another option in the language settings where one can change the preferred languages for the text messages. Here are also the same number of languages as shown previously for the admin area. Through this, the user can take control of the content language all over the front end. Please take a look at the options available in which we can make the language changes in the storefront. Now we will take a look on the report page. Here there are three sections divided. First is the user report, in which one can see the record per page section and date range and other sorting options. Then there are the details of all the users like email, user type, wishlist items, move to cart items, and the creation date. Please note that the email ID of the guest will not be shown until login. Second is the wishlist item option in the report section. One can also view individual wishlist data from this option. Here is the look of the detailed wishlist page, consisting of two sections. First is the item wishlist section, and the second is when the item is moved to the cart. Third is the revenue data, which gives insight into the revenue generated through all the analysis being done by our app. The price and the quantity are also shown in this option. Lastly, we have Get Support option, a page from where you can reach us for any kind of help. Here we provide FAQ and a complete guide of the setup through documentation mentioned below in Help Doc. One can also message us directly, and if you still find any queries, please reach us from the direct email ID given, and we will respond to you as quickly as possible. Thank you for exploring Wishlist Guru. Choose Wishlist Guru today and transform your store's wishlist experience.